this angle, that's why we apply x with both the two. Okay, determine all the angles from 1 to 8. Okay, from 1 to 8 with the given this ratio. Now, okay, I don't have a problem. M is a parallel, M is a line. Okay, M is line. Can we say M is a straight line? M is a straight line. Can we say? Yeah. 3x plus 2x is 180 degree because of linear pair. 5x, this is a linear equation. 5x, okay. 180 upon 5 3s are 5 3s are and 5 6 are. X is a 36, okay. So this 3 multiple 1 second 3x angle of 1 3x 3 multiple 36 3 multiple 36 would be how much? 6 3s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 10. 108. Value of this angle is 108. Now 2x 2 multiple 36 would be how much? 6 2s are 18, 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12. Yeah, 2 3s are 6 and 7. So value of this angle is 22. Okay. Now we can easily say by applying what vertically opposite angles of parallel lines with a transversal line. Here, this is 72 degree, so we can say this would be how much? 72 degree because of vertically opposite angles. We are saying easily because parallel lines are in straight. That's why we say parallel lines. Parallel lines cannot intersect to each other. This is a value of this angle is 22. So by applying a vertically opposite angle, so we can say the value of this angle would be 22. Value of this angle is 108. So just this opposite, this would be how much? 108 because of vertically opposite angles. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now we already know what sum of this angle, this angle would be how much? 180 degree. So we have what sum of this value of this angle, which is 108, and how much here would be 22. If we have a value of this angle 22, so we can check value of sum of these two angles should be how much? 180 degree. Here 100 and 72, 80, 100 and 80, 180. Similarly here 22. So sum of this angle and this angle would be how much? Should be 180. 72 here would be 108. Here would be 108. Clear? Till here we are clear? Yeah. Now here same again vertically opposite angles rules. Here this is the 72 angles. Opposite this angle is this angle 8, which would be 72 because of reason is vertically opposite angles. Now what about this angle? Value of this 5 angle is 108. So we can say what value of this just opposite this angle is what? Angle 7. So value of this angle would be 108 because of reason is vertically opposite angles. Okay, 108. Now you can check is your all angles, value of all angles is correct or not. How? Sum of this, because of sum of these two angles would be 180 degree. 1 and 72. 172. 180, 108 and 72. 180, 108 and 72. 180, 72 and 108 would be 180. 180. That's all. That's it. That's it. Now next question. Next question. If AB is parallel to CD, angle APQ is 50 degree. Figure is like now this is figure of this question. Here, first of all, we will read what is the question saying. Question is saying AD is a parallel. AB is a parallel to CD, and angle APQ. Where is APQ? APQ is a 50 degree. Okay, and angle PRD. PRD, okay, PRD is 127. 127. Find x and y. Value of x and y. Value of x and y. First of all, we can say what angle APQ would be of angle PQD because of alternative interior angles. Okay, so we can say PQD is how much? 50 degree. Now here we have CQD is a what? Is a straight line. Is a straight line. Can you say what angle CQP and angle PQD would be 180 degree. 180 degree. So CQP and angle PQD is how much? 50. Then we will have a value of this angle. CQP 180 minus then 130. So value of this angle is how much? 130. And value of this angle is how much? 150. Okay, 50. Okay. What else? Here we know what? APR. Next, APR would be PRD. Am I right or not? Yeah, of course. So here, 50 plus y is how much? 127. And we will have what value of y? Value of y. Y 127 and 50 minus 50. So 3 and 1, 6. 6. Not 6. 6, yeah. 3, 7 would be 7. 7. 127, 50. 7. And then here we have 27. 27. Okay, so value of y is 27. Value of x is how much? Only 50, and y is 25. We can check our answer correct or not. 27. This is 27. How can you check? 50 and 77 would be how much? 127. Yeah, correct. Okay, correct. Otherwise 77 and this 27 and this is 180. 180 minus 77 would be how much? Would be how much? Value of this angle would be 103. Because of here we can see 50 and 77 is how much? 7 and 12. Together is 127, and here we are looking 127. Here we can say value of this angle and value of this angle will be equal because of alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles. Just look at this question. Now I am going to write next question. This is figure. Just to understand the question, what is the question saying? Question is the same. PQ is parallel to RS. PQ is parallel to RS. Okay. We have two lines which is parallel to each other. AP is perpendicular at on RS angle. on RS angle. Okay, RS line, RS line, and we have a value of angle of GES, GES, GES. From here to till here is how much? 135, 135. And this is a head of a 90 degree. This is a head of a right angle. Now, what angle GEF, GEF and 90 degree would be, what would be? We will get answer. We will get value of this angle by adding this and this. Okay. And question is the same. Find value of this angle, this angle, this angle. First of all, GEF, GEF, GEF. Okay, GEF. Sum of G, not GF, GES, GF, then FAS. This is how much? 35 degree. Okay. Value of this we don't know. We don't know. Okay. And value of this angle APS is 90 degree. Okay. 135. Then 90. GEA 4. No. Not 4. 90. How much? 5. 5 and 10 4. 45. 45. We have value of this is which is 45. Okay. So first point is clear. What value of this angle? Second, REG, GER, GEF, FGE, FGE. We can say what this is a 90 degree because of line is perpendicular. Okay. Here you can see what we have triangle. We have what triangle. Value of this angle, value of this angle, and value of this angle would be how much? 180 degree. 180 degree. Triangle AGF 45, 90, and then FGE. Would be 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. FGE 180 minus 5, 35. Okay. FGE. Then 45. No, 35. 35. No, 45. 45. So this is 45. Here now we have left to find out the value of this angle. PG. Can we say this would be how much? Sum of this angle 45 and 30. No. This would be 135 because of reason is alternative interior angle. Alternative interior angle. Okay. So PGE would be 135. Reason is alternative interior angle. Okay, alternative interior angles 135. Now 135 and 45 would be how much? 180. This is how we check our answer. Now we have value of this angle, value of this angle, and value of this angle. We had to do find the value of this triangle, and we did. We have done. Now next question. Next question. This is figure of this question, and we have to understand the given figure. What is the figure is saying? Figure is saying AB is a perpendicular to D. AB is a line and D is a line which is perpendicular to each other. Value of this angle ABC is given which is 100 and CDE which is 120 degree. Okay, and we have to find value of angle BCD value of this angle. Okay, value of this angle. Now figure you observe you can see figure is looking complicated. Yeah, it's complicated. It's a little complicated, but we have to understand. Okay, here AB is a perpendicular and D is a perpendicular. No, parallel lines. Both are parallel lines to each other. Value of this angle is this and this. So what can we do? What can we do to find out value of this angle BCD? We can one thing. What just draw imaginary line. We have third, which is what L. Okay. Here we have third line. We just draw a imaginary line. Here we can say this is what 100. This is 80 degree. This is 80 degree because of reason is co-interior angles. Reason is co-interior angles. We can easily say what sum of A is 100 would be what LCB. Okay. No, not would be LCB. And here we have what LCB is 80 degree. Reason is what co-interior lines, which means the sum of angles is 180 degree. Okay. Now next point is what? Next point is what? DC, and here you can say M. DCM would be how much? DC would be how much? Here we can see what? EDC is 120. So we can easily say what LCD would be sum of this angle and this would be how much? 120. Let's say this is X. This is X. Otherwise, here ADC is 120. So BCF will be equal. So this is 120, and then this is how much? 80 plus angle CBD. 120 minus 80. CBD. How much? 40. LCBD. So we have value of this angle which is 40, and we can check what here value of this angle would be equal to value of this angle because of alternative interior angles. Okay, because of alternative interior angles. Clear? If this is 120, so it would be how much? 60. Now LMN. Here sum of this angle would be 180 degrees. To check if this is sum of this angles is 180 degree, then we can say our value of this angle is correct. 80, 20, 80, 40, 120, and 60, 180, 180. Okay. Just have a look. Just look at this. How did I solve? You can understand how can there be solved equations. I am going to write next question. Now we have this question. AB is a parallel to CD. AB is a parallel to CD, and as well as CD is also parallel to EF. EF. If angle BCE, here is BCE is 25, then angle CF, CF, CEF is what? 145 degree. Okay, or this is given in equation. Then find the measure of. Then find the measure of angle ABC. Where is ABC? ABC. Yeah. How can we solve? How can we solve? This is exact figure. This is exact figure. Now here, if we carefully observe, then this will be equal to this. Okay, this will be equal to this, and 145, and here no. What? CD, one second. CD is parallel to EM. Then what happens? What will happen? Just look, bro. Just look. Look at here. Here we have what co-interior angles, which is sum of two angles is 180 degree. Am I right? Not 145 already. So here angle AF, okay, E, okay, C is how much? No, 1 second. Add F, no, E, F, A, C. What is this? E, C, D, E, C, D would be 100 because of co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. In this case, okay, in this case. Whatever we have given value of angle, we will put FAC is 145. 145. Angle C 180. 180 minus 145. 145. Angle C 35. Yeah, 30, 40, 70. 70 and 80. Okay. So here we are clear that the value of this angle is 35. Value of this angle is 35. Okay. Now, question is saying find the value of x. Find the value of x. What? AB is perpendicular to CD. CD. Okay. Can we say value of x is equal to value of angle C? The reason is alternating interior angles. Alternative interior angles. So angle ABC would be equal to angle BCD because of alternative interior angles. Okay. We don't know value of this, and this is how much? 35 and 25. 35. 10, 5, 6. Okay. 60. 60. This is how much? 60. That's it. That's it. This is what Kishan was saying. Find the value of x, and we have done. We have done. We have solved. We have solved. Okay. We have solved. Here you can see 60. Now value of this would be how much? 120. 120. Yeah. Value of this angle would be 100. 120. 120. Next question. Next question. Already we have given figure. Okay, don't worry. First of all, AB is a AB is a parallel to CD. Okay, if is 130 degree, okay, and angle AFC 45. We have this figure. Okay. We have this figure. No. Look at this question. AB is perpendicular to AB is parallel to CD. Okay, we have two lines which is parallel to each other, which is parallel. Okay. If angle A is where here is what 130, and angle MFC is 40, and we have to identify. We have to find angle AMF value of this angle. Okay, value of this angle. We can draw a line here. Name will be LM. Name will be LM because we drawn because of this is vertex. This is vertex. That's all. What would be process to find out value of this angle? Just here we can say part AB parallel to LM. Then here we can say what angle BEM is equal to angle EML. Am I right? So EML would be 130 degree. 130 degree. Now we have L. We have what LNN, which is angle LNN is straight angle. Sum of this angle would be 180 degree. 180 degree. AML at AMN would be 180 degree. So this is 130, and this is how much? We don't know. Would be 50 degree. So this is 50 degree and this is 130 degree. Here we can say this is also 150 degree. Now here we have what? LM parallel to CD. LM parallel to CD. Here parallel to CD. Okay, don't worry. Here we can see what C angle CFD is a straight angle. So can we write angle CFM, angle DFM would be 180 degree. Okay, 45. This is 45. Angle DFM 180. DFM is how much? 40 degree. DFM is how much? 40 degree? No, 140 degree. 140 degree. This is how much? 140 degree. This is 140 degree. Okay. 140 degree. Next. LA parallel to CD. Here we will do what? Here we have what? Co-interior angles. So angle NMF and angle FD would be 180 degrees because of co-interior angles. Okay. So we don't know value of this angle is 140 degree, would be 180, and MF would be how much? 40 degree. So value of this is how much? 40 degree. 40 degree. Now we can easily say what? We can easily say that sum of this angle and sum of this angle, we will have a sum of we will have a value of angle angle EMF. So to find EMF, we have what? 50 and then 40. 50 and then 40. 90 degree. Angle EMF which is this, and this is how much? 90 degree, which is right hand, 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. So angle AMF is how much? 90 degree. If the given figures, next what? Next question. Next question. Now, shall I erase it? Here, this is figure of this question, and this is question to understand. What? Just carefully, we can understand. What AB and CD are intersecting at a point A here. CD and AB. If value, if angle ACE, ACE 40 and CAE is 85 and BBE. B, where is B? B E is how much? 75. Is how much? 75. Then Find the measure of DBE. DBE. We have to find out value of this angle. How can we solve? How can we identify? What is the process? What are processes? Here we can say we have what two triangles. We have two triangles. First and this, and we already know sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We can easily write ACE is a triangle. Okay, triangle. Uh, which means angle A and angle C and angle E would be 180 degree. So 85 and then 40, we don't know value of this 180. We are talking about this angle bro. E 180, 40, 125, 25, then 55, then 55. 80, 120 and 60, 180. And this is correct. This is correct. And our point is this. Our point is to find value of this angle. Okay. So next brother, we can easily say by applying vertically opposite angles, what value of this angle is 55. Value of angle AEC is 55. So this opposite to this angle would be same 55 degree. Would be how much? 55 degree. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Now we have again a triangle. We have already a triangle. We have two values, and we can easily find value of a noun angle. Value of a noun angle. So it's a turn of a triangle BDE, which is what angle B and angle D and angle what E would be 180. So B we don't know. This is what we have to identify. Angle D is 75. Okay. 55. Okay. 180. Okay. 180 and then 70, 120, 130. Okay. Now we have 50. Value of this angle is 50. So finally answer of angle B is 50. This is our answer of this question. You can see how did we solve and how did we identify value of a noun angle, which was question saying. Now next question is, if the angles here. Krishna is saying if the angles of a triangle, and we already know what a triangle has a three angles. Triangle has a three angles. So are in the ratio 1 to 3. This is a lowest value of each angles of a triangle. Then find the angle of the exact value of angles, exact value of each angles of the triangle. Of the triangle, we can say that we can easily say x, 2x, and 3x is 180 degree because of sum of angles of a triangle is how much? 180 degree. Now we have linear equation 5, 6x and 180. So how much? 180 upon 6. 6 to no. uh, 6 3 is 18. Yeah, 30. So we have value of x, but we didn't find value of exact each angles of the triangle. So it's a done. First of all, what value of a angle is a 30. Value of second angle is how much to multiply x? 60. Okay. Similar, third angle. You multiply x, which is 90. Oh, now you can check 90, 60, 60, 30, 90, 90, 90, 80. Okay, 90, 90, 80. You can draw figure, but this is not exact figure of this given value of each angles of a triangle. Okay, so we can say what this is a 30, 30. Okay, so we are clear what one is this is a what 90. This is 90. This is 90. Okay, and this would be 60. This is 30. Let's say this is 30. So this is 60. This is 60. Okay, and this is 90. Clear? Still, we don't have exact figure of this given value triangle. Now next question. Next question. This is question brother. We have to find value of B, value of angle B. Here we have exterior angle. We have exterior angles of a triangle. Of a triangle. Now, okay. ABC. Find the measure of ABC. Where is ABC? So this is what we are going to find. Okay. So to find out the value of this angle, we should have value of this angle and value of this angle. Then we will be able to find value of this angle. So we have an option. We have an option. But AB is a ACB is a straight angle which shows sum of two angles is 180 degree. So A C D addition D C B is how much? 100. Value of this is 110. Okay, DCB is 70 degree. So we can say this is how much? 70 degree. I can directly say what? I can directly say that value of this angle is 40 directly, because this is 140 and 180. We will subtract this 140 from 180. Then we will have value of this angle, which would be 40 degree. Now we will have what? We have a value of these two angles, and we have to find value of this angle. Then we will subtract the sum of this angle, sum of this given angles from 180 degree. Then we will have value of this angle. Okay. So here DAB and ACB is 180 degree. It's a 180 degree. So 140 and this is what? ABC, yeah, ABC, not ABC, CAB, you don't know CAB, 100. So CAB is how much? 40 degree. This is how much? 40 degree. Clear? Now we have a triangle. Triangle ABC. We are going to find out ABC is BAC is what? ACB is 180 degree. Value of this angle ABC. Value of this angle ABC. We don't know. BAC is 40 degree and ACB is 20 degree. degree. ABC is a 20 degree. So we can say this is a 20 degree, and we can check to our answer. 20 is 20, 140 and 40, 180. Okay, this is the final our answer. This is figure. This is figure. Interior angles of a triangle. This is a triangle. Are in the ratio angle A. Angle is 3. Here we have ratios. That's why we will apply Ax value. Okay. Because we don't have exact value of this A angle. Okay. 3x and this is a 2x and this is what x only. Okay. Side A BC is a BC where BC is produced to D and AC is perpendicular to AC. AC. Find the angle DCE. DCE. This is main point. This is main point. How can we say this is what? This is 90 degree? Can we say? Of course, because perpendicular. Reason is perpendicular. Yeah. Okay. Okay. First of all, we can we have option to know what exact value of each these angles of of this triangle, which is how much a triangle ABC. Okay, ABC. Yeah, in angle in triangle ABC. 2x, 3x, x 180 degree. 5, 6, 180. Okay. 180 upon 6, which is 30. Okay. 6 3 is 18. 0. Oh, we don't have exact. So, first of all, we can. This is a 30. This is how much? 60. And this is 90. 60, 30, 60, 30, 90, 90, 90, 180. This is correct. Now, what? Interior angles. This is an exterior angle. So, value of ACD is equal to opposite of this angle, just opposite to this angle of in a triangle, which is this and this would be equal. So here ACD, which is exterior angle, would be equal to angle CAB. ABC. Okay, ABC. This is how much? This is how much? 90 and angle ACD. Angle ACD. ACD. Value of this angle CA B is 90 is and ABC is 60. 150 and 90 60. This is how much? 60. 60 90 150 and 60 90 150 is equal to each other. This is final our answer. This is A, this and this. Okay. Now next. this question. Read this question. An exterior angle and exterior angle. It is an exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, of a triangle. Exterior angle. Let's say this is exterior angle. Is 120, 120. Okay, and name ABC. 120. 120. This is if one of the interior opposite angle, just opposite to this, is how much? 40. Let's say this is 40. Let's say this is 40. Then the other two angles of our triangle would be already we know what exterior angle AC angle ACD would be equal to angle CA angle CAB and ABC. Okay, ABC. 120. CAB is 40 and this, let's say X. Okay, otherwise you can say ABC. We have how much? How much? 80? Yeah, 80. This is how much? 80. Okay, now already we know sum of each interior angles of a triangle is 180. So 80 and 40, 120 and 60, 100 would be 180. Final answer is 80. Final answer is 80, 60. 80, 60. Okay. Next question. Which is little more interesting. Little heavy but interesting. Now, in front of you is a question. It is saying, yeah, angle X, where this 62, XYZ is 54. From here to till here is 54. Not this, not X, Y, O. Okay. If YO and ZO are the bisector of XYZ and XZY respectively of triangle XYZ. It is very interesting. After reading this question, find angle OZY. Where is OZY? OZY, this and YOZ, this and this, which is which are two interior angles of triangle OYZ. So let's start our journey to solve it. First step is what? First, we can take a triangle XYZ to find out XZY. Okay. So first of all, triangle AXYZ. Yeah. We already know sum of each interior angles of triangle is 180 degree. So can we say 60 and 54 here? But angle XZY is 180 degree. XZY is how much? 180. 60, 50, 110, 114. 114. Now 6 and then 6 again. That's it. 60, 70, 80. Yeah, right. X, Y, X, Z, Y. So from here to till here is 66. Okay. Now Y is OZ is bisect. OZ is bisect. We can easily say what O is what? No. O is not. O Y Z is equal to X Y O. Reason is bisector of X Y Z. Okay, this is reason. Now we have 54. We will divide it. We will have what? 27. OYZ is 27, and as well as XYO is 27. Right. So here we have value of this is how much? 27. So value of this would be how much? 33. How much? 33. We can write what OZY is equals to X, one second, angle XZO, because of again bisector of angle XYZ. No. XZY. Okay. XZY. Okay, then here we can say is 33. Reason is bisect, which means two parts of a angle is equal to each other. Okay, 33. Then again we have XZO. This is one part, this is a two part of this angle, which is equal to each other. This is a 33. This is a 33. We have a triangle. Already we have a triangle. YOZ. Okay. We have already two values of interior angles of triangle, which are 27, 33, and we can easily investigate value of this angle. 27 and 33 here ZOY is 180. Okay, ZOY is 180 minus 20, 30, 50 and 60. Okay, ZOY how much? 120. We can say this value of this angle is 120, and now we have option to check that this is correct or not. How? 120 and 20, 140, 170 and 7, 3, 10, 170, 10, 180. Yeah, this is correct. This is our answer. Where? OZY. OZY. This is our answer. Just look at this question. Now I am going to erase it. Next question. This is figure of this question. Now we are going to solve this. We are going to solve this. How can we solve? Do you have any steps? Any steps to solve? First of all, we need to read this question. PQ, which is perpendicular to SR. P, where is PQ? Is perpendicular to PS. PS. Okay, this is perpendicular. So we can say this angle is making at 90 degrees. Okay, this angle is making at 90 degrees. Angle P is making at 90 degrees. Okay. SQR. Where is SQ? SQR. No, SQR is 28. QRT is 65. Okay, then find the values of XY. 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 We have two triangles here. This triangle one is what? PSQ and second SRQ. SRQ. Now, how can we solve? How can we solve? Easily. It is very easy, and it will look very interesting. Just ST is line. ST is line. Angle SRT is a what? Is straight angle. That's why we can write SRQ and add QRT is 65 degree would be 180 degree. So SRQ and QRT is 180 degree because of reason is SRT is a straight angle. Straight angle. Okay. Now SRQ we don't know. This is a known value of angle. Angle SRQ. Okay. Value of this angle. 65 degree. 180 degree. Okay. Now we can have value of this angle which is 65 degree. 5 1 1 we can say value of this is how much? 115. Now we can check if sum of this is 180 degree, then we can say 150 degree value of this angle is correct. So how? 110 and 60, 125 are 10, 180. Now here what? Here we can see value of P angle PQR will be equal to angle QRT because of alternative interior angles. Because of alternative interior angles. Okay. Otherwise, here we can take what this angle, which would be, we have two options. First, by taking alternative interior angles. Otherwise, second is what? By taking co-interior angles. So here I am taking one option. Okay, P, Q, R and angle SRQ is 180. Reason is co-interior angles. Okay. So this is x plus 18. 28. Then 115. Okay. Yes, ma'am. We have linear equation. 180. 30, 40, 43. 143. How much? 7, 3. This is how much? 37. This is how much? 37. Okay, 37. Now we can find value of this. We have triangle by taking triangle PQS. In triangle PQS, what? One is 90, second is 37, and third is we don't know. But 180. Reason is this is a triangle. Reason is this. Now angle Y 180. Subtraction 90, 30, 120, 127. Now we will have what value of angle Y, which is 53. 50, 20, 70, 20, 10, 80. So this is 53. We have option to check that is our answer correct or not. 53, 90, 50, 140, 42. 140 and 40, 180. This and x is 37. This was what? Question was